I'm going to talk about the upcoming pattern. Let's look at weather warnings. There is some weather warnings. So, the weather warnings are for Nargon, Lingark, Varsity, Hamilton, Oako, Sissaga, Brampton, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, possibly Stoffel, Oshawa, Coburg, and Belleville. Those cities are going to get some severe thunderstorm watch. It starts from Thursday, July 9, 1:11 p.m. to Friday, July 10th, 12:01 a.m. It starts from today. So there's gonna be yellow watch with the severe thunderstorm watch. There's gonna be conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorm that may become get favorable of strong wind gusts and heavy rain. There's going to be localized rainfall up to 60 millimeters. There's going to be wind gusts of up to 90 miles per hour. But it's going to start from this afternoon and early evening, which is tomorrow. It starts today, this afternoon, and tomorrow, early evening. Let's look at next warnings, but it doesn't count because. So let's look at pressure patterns starting from 8 p.m. So let's look at it again. So 1000 and start 1008 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 8 p.m. which is July the 10th. So it's gonna go up to July 13th, the actual one. So 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 8 p.m. July the 11th. There is something 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is July the 12th. There is something 1020 millibars of pressure everywhere. So let's go to 8 p.m. July the 13th. There is something 1016, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's look at precipitation totals pattern. So let's start from 5 p.m. So line said obey white temperatures in Honorable Palm Beach, Finland, la la la. Dawson's are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, and the beach Salary's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall, including Niagara Lake parts of whatever. So Hamilton, Oko's, Gun, Skip Oko, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Beverly, Georgia, Betty, it's going to get, including Orange World. Dawson's are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Sissaga is going to get some 6.25 Brampton, 2.5 millimeters. Toronto, Richmond Hill is going to get some 2.5 millimeters, including the market. Scarborough area 6.25, light is 2.5 millimeters. But same thing with Stoffel is going to be 2.5 millimeters. So let's look at Niagara City. Light is 0.25, light is 2.5 millimeters. So let's go to the next tower, which is 8 p.m. This something. So Petty, Georgia, Beverly, so Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara, Lake Ogun, those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Line said, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Midland, Collingwood, Brighton. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Niagara Falls City, heaviest superfly light is 0.25. So let's go to the next tower, which is 11 p.m. There is something. So Whitetown Poyodin, Honorable Betty, Babylon, Georgia, Naga, Falls City, Hamilton, Oako, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Newmarket, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. So let's look at Scarborough. Scarborough is going to get some 2.5 millimeters. Heaviest light is going to be 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Richmond Hills, like saying Richmond Hills actually 2.5 millimeters. Stoffel solidly 0.25 millimeters. Let's go to downtown Toronto, 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 8 a.m. This something. So Oku, Hampton, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg. Niagara, Lake Niagara City Park is going to get some 0.25 millimeters rainfall, including Collingwood, Belfast, Georgia, Boyards, and Hanover. So let's go to London. Let's go to next tower, which is 11 a.m. There is something. So This is Saga Brampton, Toronto, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Niagara, Niagara Falls, City, Dorset, Second, got some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Sony Mark is 2.5 millimeters, Orange was 2.5 millimeters of rainfall, which we know is going to be 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 2 p.m. Day something. So, Niagara Lake 2.5 millimeters, Oakville, Sissag, Parkway, Sissauga, Brampton, Orange Walk, Toronto, between any markets, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Ottawa, Bay, Mainland, Palm Beach, Wharton, those is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to the next cover. So let's go to the next tower, which is 5 p.m. This something. So Oku, Hamilton, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Toronto, Whitsunday Market, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Bevel, Ottawa, Bay, Sotheby, Palm Beach, Midland. Those is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including parts of Niagara Lake. Niagara Falls City, the heavy superfine lies 0.25, Peterborough 0.25. Wharton 0.25 millimeters. So let's go to next tower, which is 8 p.m. There is something. Niagara Falls is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Oako, Hampton, Sissaga, Brampton, Orange, Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Georgia, Babylon, Betty, Alala, Illinois. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. There is something. So, Sissaga, Brampton, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Uxbridge, Georgia, Babylon, Betty, Alala. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including local. Let's go to 8 a.m. There's nothing else. 11 a.m. There's nothing else. This something 11 a.m. Thursday, July 11th, so 2026. So Niagara Falls is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 p.m. There's nothing else. 11 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 a.m. There's nothing else. 11 a.m. There's nothing else. 2 p.m. There's nothing else. 5 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 p.m. There's nothing else. 11 p.m. There's nothing else. Let's go to back to 8 a.m. So let's go to 8 a.m. This something. So line says going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Celebrate going to get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall, including Thunder Beach, possible. So Sotheby, Midland, that's wrong. Sotheby, Thunder Beach, line size going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 2 p.m. There is nothing else including space. 5 p.m. There is something. So Harshva, Uxbridge, Babylon, South Peterborough, Dorset are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to parts of Scarborough. This is 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. That's actually bickering. So let's go to next tower, which is 108. So Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Peterborough, Babylon is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. There is something. So parts of Scarborough, parts of Pickering, Uxbridge, those is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall later on. Not later on. So Uxbridge, let's see, it's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next tower, which is at something. So ignore. So let's look at total precipitation. Ignore that. So total precipitation. So 4 millimeters everywhere in Niagara Falls. Hamilton, Oakville, 3 millimeters. Oakville's wet is gonna be 3 millimeters. Dry, that's driest actually. The wet is gonna be 5 millimeters. Brampton 5 millimeters. This is like 5 millimeters. That's 7 millimeters. Scarborough 7 millimeters. Dover 6 millimeters. Newmarket also 5 millimeters. Uxbridge 4 millimeters. Ashford 7 millimeters. Peterborough, Coburg 3 millimeters. Belleville 2 millimeters. Peterborough is gonna get some 1 millimeters. Georgia, Babylon 2 millimeters. Barry 2 millimeters. La 1 millimeters, 2 millimeters, Atlanta 2 millimeters, Palm Beach 0.7 millimeters, Wharton 0.8 millimeters, Port Hudson 1 millimeters, Underwood is going to get some 1 millimeters, Collingwood 1 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next tower, which is 8 p.m. July the 11th. So, Niagara Falls City's heaviest 0.7, light 0.3 millimeters. So, July the 13th is something. So 2 millimeters in Uxbridge. Shasha is going to be 1 millimeters. Peterborough 2 millimeters. Scarborough, the area is going to be 0. It's going to be 1 millimeters. Light is going to be 0.3 millimeters. Babylon is 0.7 millimeters. So Newmarket's going to get some in the middle, 0.4 millimeters. Orange was going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. Babylon is going to be 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So let's look at air temperature patterns starting from 70 on July the 10th. So, Washington 80 degrees, Boylston 90 degrees, Honolulu's going to get 75 degrees, Hope's 80 degrees, Lineson's 80 degrees, Collingwood 20 degrees. So, Bombay's 20 degrees, Thunderby's 20 degrees, Sotheby's 20 degrees, and Las going to get 90 degrees. Everywhere now about 21.5 degrees, Hamilton, Oakland 21 degrees, Oakland's 21 Bournemouth cold is gonna be 20 degrees. Sasaki 21 degrees. Banff 20 degrees. Tofu 90 degrees. Scarborough 20 degrees. Downtown 20 degrees. Newmarket. Orange Walls 80 degrees. Oxford 90 degrees. Harsher 20 degrees. Peterborough 90 degrees. Coburg 20 degrees. Balboa 20 degrees. Georginia's 20 degrees. Babylon's is 20 degrees. Betty's 90 degrees. Alala's 90 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. July the 10th. So Port Olson 25 degrees, Honolulu 26 degrees, Wyerton 25 degrees, Collingwood 24 degrees, Palm Beach 24 degrees, 23. Sotheby's 24 degrees, Dunleavy's going to get 22 degrees, everywhere now was 25.5 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville 24 degrees, Oakville 24 degrees, Brampton 26 degrees, Tofu 26 degrees, Scarborough 25 degrees, Toronto 24 degrees, Newmarket, Orangewood 26 degrees, Uxbridge 27 degrees, Ashford 24 degrees, Peterborough 27 degrees, Coburg 23 degrees, Balboa 27 degrees, Georgina is going to get some 25 degrees, Babylon 25 degrees, Betty 26 degrees, Alala 26 degrees. So Hobbs is going to get some 21 degrees, Line says going to get some 19. Success is going to be 90 degrees and 9 says. So let's go to next hour, which is July the 11th. So Brighton 80 degrees, Boyles 90 degrees, I know 80 degrees, Hope 90 degrees, Lines 90 degrees, Collingwood 80 degrees, Palm Beach, Tiny Beach, Solid that's Palm Beach, Tiny Beach, Solid 90 degrees, Lance 80 degrees, so Georginia's 20 degrees, Babylon's 20 degrees, Betty 70 degrees, so the last going to get 18 degrees. 70 degrees in Olala. Everywhere now was 21 degrees. Hamilton local 20 degrees. Locals coming 20 degrees. Branch 90 degrees. Tofu 80 degrees. Scarborough 80 to 90 degrees. Toronto 20 degrees. Newmarket Orange 70 degrees. Hooksville 70 degrees. Sasha 90 degrees. Peterborough 70 degrees. So 70 degrees in Peterborough. Coburg 20 degrees. Belvoir 90 degrees. Hooksville 70 degrees. So let's go to the next tower, which is 3 p.m. Day something. So Port Olson 25 degrees, Hanoi 25 degrees, Barton 25 degrees, Hopsy 21 degrees. Just double check. It's gonna be 22 degrees. Line says it's gonna get some 24 degrees. Everywhere now about 25.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakland's 23 degrees. Oakland's 24 degrees. Bantam 27 degrees. Warmest in Oakland's 24. The coldest 23. Stowe 24. 6 degrees. Scarborough 25 degrees. Newmarket Orangewood 25 degrees. Hooksville 25 degrees. Sasha 26 degrees. Peterborough 26 degrees, Coburg 24 degrees, Balboa 27 degrees, Georgina 25 degrees, Villiers 25 degrees, Axis 24 degrees, and Babylon Georgina. Betty's gonna be 26 degrees, Alala 25 degrees. Inland's gonna get 26 degrees, Alaba's gonna be 25 degrees, so Bombay's gonna get some 25 degrees, Sunnybe's gonna get some 22 degrees, so let's go to the next tower, which is 7 a.m. July the 12th, day Sunday. Port Olson 90 degrees, Hanover's gonna get some 18 degrees, no, it's 90 degrees. Collingwood, 80 degrees. So Hope, Boylston's got it done. So onwards, gonna get some 16 degrees. Hope's lines is 20 degrees. Everywhere in Boston, about 5 degrees. Palm Beach, gonna get some 80 degrees. Sunny Beach, gonna get some 90 degrees. Soliby, 90 degrees. Illas, gonna get some 70 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville 90 degrees, Sissaga 90 degrees, Barrington 70 degrees, Tofu 70 degrees, Scarborough 80 degrees, Toronto 90 degrees, Newmarket, Orangeville 15 degrees, Orangeville 16 degrees, Hooksville 80 degrees, Sasha 80 degrees, Peterborough 16 degrees, Coburg 20 degrees, Balboa 27 degrees, Georgina is gonna be 20 degrees, Beverly Hills 16 degrees, so Saxy 17, 18 degrees, and Beverly Hills is bad. He's gonna get some 16 degrees, so let's go to Olala, which is 19 degrees, so let's go to let's go to 3 p.m. There is something. July the 12th. So, Port Ocean's 24 degrees onwards, gonna get some 26 degrees. White on 27 degrees, Hope says gonna get some. When 25 degrees, line says 25 degrees, Hope says gonna get some 25. So Hope says actually 26, line says 25 degrees, September and a half hours, 27.5 degrees, Hamilton, Oakville, 26 degrees, that's the warmest, coldest, 24. Brenton, 28 degrees, Topo, 27 degrees, Scarborough's, down here to 24 degrees, Scarborough's, gonna get some 26 degrees. The market orange show 27 degrees, Oaks 27 degrees, Astro 25 degrees, Peterborough 27 degrees, Gowood 23 degrees, Belleville 27 degrees, Georgina 25 degrees, Salalas gonna get sun 20. So Warton is 27 degrees, Collingwood 27 degrees, Boyards 24 degrees, Anna is gonna get some 26 degrees, Hope says gonna get some 26 degrees, Nine says 25 degrees, so Bombay's gonna get some 26 degrees, Salary's 26 degrees, Annabee's gonna get some 25 degrees, and last 28 degrees. Everywhere in about 27.5 degrees. Amateur local 26 degrees. Bournemouth, that's cold. Bournemouth, cold is 24 degrees. Current 28 degrees. Tofu, 27 degrees. Scarborough, it's going to be 25 degrees. 26 degrees, 25.5 is in Scarborough. Down around to 24 degrees. So, the market 27 degrees. Orange show 27 degrees. Oxford 27 degrees. Astro 25 degrees. Peterborough 27 degrees. Galway 23 degrees. Bravo 27 degrees. Georgina 25 degrees. Baddies going to get 27 degrees. Bablas is 27 degrees. Alalas going to get some 26 degrees. So, let's go to next tower, which is the 8 a.m. This Sunday. So, for Ocean 22 degrees, Hanway 23 degrees, Hope Say 22 degrees, Line says gonna get some 21 degrees. Starway, Palm Beach 23, Milan 23, Thunder Beach gonna get some 22.5 degrees, Everybody now about 22.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakles 22, that's so Oakle 22, Brampton 22 degrees, Dover 21 degrees, Scarborough 22.5, 21.5, Toronto 22 degrees, Newmarket 21 degrees, Orange 22 degrees, Oxford 21 degrees, Ashton 22 degrees, Peterborough 22 degrees, Galway 21 degrees, Balboa 22, Churchill 22 degrees, Bablos 21 degrees, Betty 21 degrees, Salala 21 degrees. So let's go to Wharton 23 degrees, Collingwood 23 degrees, 23 degrees for Collingwood. So let's go to the next tower, which is 2 p.m. There is something. So for Elton 24, Wharton 28, Hanover is going to be 26. Hope say 26 degrees. So that's actually 25. Line says gonna be 26 degrees, 27. So Collingwood 29 degrees, Bombay is gonna get some 26, Salaby's 25 degrees, Sunnybee's gonna get some 25 degrees. Everywhere now was 29.5 degrees, Hamilton Oakles 29, that's the warmest. Cold is gonna be 28 degrees, Saka 27 degrees, Down to 27 degrees, Banter 33 degrees, Dover 32 degrees, Scarborough 30 degrees. Newmarket, Orange Hill 21 degrees, Oxford 31 degrees, also 27 degrees Vito, 30 degrees Cowboy, 24 degrees Bravo, 27 degrees Georgina is gonna get some 30.5 degrees. Paddy's gonna get some 30.5 degrees. Bablas is gonna get some 30 degrees. Olala's gonna get some 29 degrees. Olala's going to get some it's going to get some 29 degrees. So this is the end of the video. So